Lesson number 6. Follow up like a friend, not a salesman. As I told you kanina, sa sales, hindi porke nag-o-offer ka, makaka-close ka agad ng deal. Pero hindi porke offer ka ng offer or hindi porke nag-offer ka na, friendship over na kung nag-decline sila. Okay? Normally, people don't buy, especially real estate. Million yan, di ba? Napakamahal na property and you are actually selling a very expensive product. So, huwag mong i-expect na sa unang offer mo pa lang o sa unang message mo, bibili agad sila. Okay? Now, here are tips on you to for you to be better in following up. Tip number 1, help, don't sell. Kapag nararamdaman ng buyer mo na nagbebenta ka lang sa kanila, mas maliit yung chance mong makakuha ng sale. So, instead of selling, offer help. Okay? Tell them na, sir, is there anything I can do to help you make a better decision? Sir, di ba, follow up ka after 2 days, hindi nag-reply sa'yo. Sir, you can tell them, sir, I just wanna make sure na, kasi sorry, hindi kita nabalikan a couple of days ago. Ngayon, I just wanna make sure that you have all the information you need. May mga kailangan ba kayo para makadecide ka para makadecide ka? Okay? Huwag mo madaliin, tumulong ka. Okay? Hot tip number 2. Use their posts or stories as a conversation starter instead of just, hi bro, kamusta? Gamitin mo ang stories nila. Medyo may effort, kailangan panoorin, pero that way, di ba? Madaling mag-start ng conversation sa kliyente mo o sa lead mo. Sir, congratulations on the promotion. Kamusta po? Ganun ba? So, it will be easier for you to strike a conversation. Hot tip number 3. You need to provide value in each follow-up. Okay? You can provide real estate tips, you can provide promos about the property you offer them, or even kung ramdam mo na talagang wala nang pag-asa yung lead na to sa property na yon, you can offer other listings. That's the good thing about Commune. Marami tayong listing na private, marami din tayong developers na accredited tayo. So, hindi mahirap maghanap ng bagong i-offer sa kanila. Pero, huwag niyo madaliin. You have to be sure that this person is already uninterested sa in-offer mo. Okay? So, and hot tip number 4, always be respectful. Even if they decline you over and over again, huwag mong i-burn yung bridge. Don't say goodbye and continue to connect with them casually. Okay? Now, here is your activity. Okay? Create your script and start following up clients na nag-decline sa'yo after 24 hours. Tapos, make sure na habang ginagawa mo yung script na yan, i-make sure mo na respectful ka, i-make sure mo na nag-add ka ng value, di ba? I-make sure mo na mag-conversation starters ka using their stories, and make sure that you help and not focus on selling. Okay? So once you're done with the script na gagawin mo for follow-up, you can proceed on lesson number 7. Okay? So see you on the next one. Okay.